Hi, I'm Surya Congress. I'm coming from Rajahmundry, India. The research opportunities offered in UT Arlington are vast and diverse too. I'm currently working on two projects.
So you were able to fly over the debris and
The professor that I'm working with right now, Dr. Anand Pupala, he's the best professor that I can work with and most friendliest person. We are using UAV CRP technology, unmanned aerial vehicle coupled with close range photogrammetry. So photogrammetry means we collect the data in form of images with certain overlap. So if you look at same point in different views, that will help us in measuring the distances and building the 3D models. Every data that we collect through drones using cameras is palpable for monitoring the infrastructure like pavements, bridges, railways, and all other dams and structures. In the future, I would like to work in more cutting-edge technologies just like the unmanned aerial vehicle as well as few more sensors. UT Arlington offers me a perfect platform to excel in all of those. So think like a PhD, work like a graduate, and enjoy like an undergraduate. Sums up my life experience in UTA.